and welcome to e-learning campus. Children, today's class is all about presentation software. In today's class, this is part 2 of the video MS PowerPoint. Okay, so part 1 link of that video I'll attach here on the top. You can see here. Okay, children, so let's start. In today's class, we'll learn how to insert a chart in our PowerPoint presentation. So, children, chart is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial manner. Whenever you want to show a comparison, growth, relationship among the values and trends in data, you can use chart. It will look very good and it will be very easy to show all this comparison if we are using a chart. So chart provides an accurate analysis of the information. So each and every chart there is one data sheet attached here. Data sheet means a page of an Excel sheet. Okay, so an Excel sheet will be attached here. So what we have to do, first we need to insert a chart and that Excel sheet will come automatically here in our slide. Quickly I'll show you. To insert a chart, anything we want to insert in our presentation slide, we just need to click on insert. Let me clear this area. Okay, so children, see here insert tab is here. So in insert tab, illustrations group. Okay, don't confuse between the tabs and the groups. So insert tab, illustrations group, last option we have chart. Click this chart. Now different types of charts are available here. See, this is combo chart, funnel chart, waterfall chart. So different types of charts are available here: bar chart, pie chart, line chart. By default it will be it will be on the column chart, so we'll select this column chart only, children. So I'm selecting this column chart. Now click OK. Okay, the moment I clicked on OK, the chart will come here on my screen with a data sheet. See children, this Excel sheet is known as the data sheet. Data sheet means whatever we want to insert, if we want to change something, if we want to edit the values, or if we want to edit the names, or anything that we want to edit in our PowerPoint presentation or in our chart. So we just need to change in this slide. See here, category 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing is visible here in the Excel sheet. In column A, this is column, children. A, B, C, D are column names, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the row names. Okay, so A2. Here we can see category 1, then category 2, 3, 4. All these things are visible here. Now series 1, 2, series 1, series 2, series 3. These are the different things, or we can say different commodities, or we can say student names. We can consider it as a student name and we can compare that record. For example, now I want to compare the toys record, or we can say toys data in my class. So I have 3 students in my class: Raj, Ranu and Sandy. These are 3 students in my class. Now I want to compare their toys, means what type of toys they have and what is their number. So see here, in category 1 I am changing here. See, Raj, Ranu and Sandy, it's reflecting here now in my chart. Now category 1. So maybe cars, robots, science kit, and maybe what type of toys? Maybe doll set. So these are the 4 categories that I want to compare for these 3 students. Now change the value. See students, these values will change here directly. See, now it's cars, robots, science kit and doll set. Now I'm changing the values. 7. I am changing values for Raj. See, now I am changing values for Ranu. I am changing for Sandy now. So this is how we can change the values. If you want to delete something, or if you want to add something, you can do here only. So for example, I want to add one more students, Ram. Now enter the value. So this is how we can enter a new value. See, one more student Ram added here. Now the same is reflecting in my chart also. If you want to delete something from the column, you just need to select the column and click on delete like this. It's gone here. Now if you want to delete something from the row, just select the entire row. You just need to click on the row number or column number and just click delete from your laptop like this. So this is how we can insert and delete a data in our chart. So this is all about inserting the data and updating it and edit it. Now I am closing this window. Now children, if you want to change the title, first you just need to click on the title. Now I am giving name toys. So, toys. Okay. So I have given name here toys. So children, this is how you can format your background also, children. I'll show you here. Once you click on the chart, no children, in chart tools, two tabs will be there: chart design and chart format. Okay, so first I'll show you chart design. So in chart design, you can see here different categories are here. You just need to move your cursor over the different designs and see the difference. So this is how we can change the chart design and the layout for our chart. So these are the different charts that we can insert, chart design that we can insert in our chart. So for example, I'm selecting this, or maybe this one. Yeah. So I'm selecting this. These are the change colors. If you want, you can change colors also from here. Quick layout, you can also choose where you want to paste your names, your category, all these things you can change from here. These are the layouts. See, initially, uh, if I'm selecting this one, see the change here. See, in few of these you can see the numbers also, right? So this is how we can see the change here because of these layout. See, if I am selecting layout 5, I can see all the this chart with the table also. So this is how we can do the changes here in the layout also. Now I'll show you the format. One more thing, children. If you have seen that I have closed that Excel sheet. If you want that Excel sheet back, here in the same chart design only, okay, the data group we can see edit data. So click this edit data and you can click edit data in Excel. So once you click on that, wait a minute, and now see that Excel sheet is here. Now again, if you want to click the edit data, you can also click on edit data and see my Excel sheet is here. In this Excel sheet, if you want, you can change the data and the same thing will reflect here in your data. See, I am changing the value. Doll set of Raj. See, it's changed. So this is how we can get that Excel sheet back and we can change it. Now let's move to format. Now chart tool format, children. See here, you can see on the top it's written series Sandy. Why? Because this science kit series Sandy science kit has been selected. So if you want, you can change it. First, I'll show you the chart area. The two things that you need to know is the chart area, chart and plot area. So chart area, children, the main area where our chart is placed, this is known as chart area. Okay, the entire area of our chart. So the entire area is known as chart area. If you want, you can change the chart area. Look, format selection option is here. So when you click on format selection, this side pan or we can say side panel will open. In this side panel, if you want, you can change the color. For now, it's totally white. If you want, you can change into solid fill, and from here color, you can change the colors. See, this is how we can do the changes. Now if you want, you can select the gradient. If you want, you can insert any picture as a background. Okay, so for example, now I am selecting the gradient fill only. Now I'll show you the plot area. Let me select it. So this is the plot area, children. The small area where our chart is there. Not these values, the Raj, Ranu, Sandy, no, not this. Only where we can see the columns. This area is known as plot area. So I have selected plot area here. Now click on format selection. In the same side panel, we can do the changes. So if you want, you can do the solid fill here. See, it's reflecting here. Now I'll show you how we can insert a picture in our plot area background. So we just need to click this picture, go to insert and online pictures. Here in online pictures, we just need to, give me a minute. We just need to select anything or whatever picture we want. We just need to type it. For example, I want toys picture as a background. So I have selected toys. Now I am selecting this picture and click insert. Now the moment I clicked on that picture, the same thing will reflect here as a background in my plot area. So you can see clearly the gradient effect is there on the chart area, and the picture and the background is, this is the plot area. Now children, if you want, you can change the color, or if you want, you can change, you can insert a picture for each and every column also. For example, I want to change for Raj. So click this column. Now see, the same thing is changed here for format data series. So now I want to change the color for Raj. Now I am changing it to yellow. See, the same is reflecting for each and every category: cars, robots, science kit and all set. Now I want to change color for Ram, the purple one. Now solid fill. If you want, you can insert picture also as a background. I am changing it to blue. See, so this is how we can change our columns also. We can format our columns. We can format our plot area, chart area. If you want, you can format these title also. You just need to click on the title, select this thing. If you want, you can apply any type of effect there. Shape outline you can use. Shape means this format effects you can use from here also. So if you want, you can format your chart here. Okay children, so this is how we can use chart here in our slide. So that's all about inserting a chart and formatting a chart in our PowerPoint presentation. So children, if you have any doubt, you can write your doubt in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion, that also you can put in the comment. And I'll attach link here for my different playlist related to MS PowerPoint, MS Word and other topics also. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.